After we completed the service, the last step in pedicure is usually gentle massage and nourishing. I usually do not moisturize feet because during the cold seasons we usually wear shoes all the time when we go for a walk, when we go shopping, when we spend the whole day in the office. So our feet are sweating, and then after that we might go home and put them off and then step on a cold floor, so this changing of the temperature is not good for our feet. First of all, for the skin. When it gets hot and starts to sweat, then we take off our shoes and the temperature in the room, especially when we step on the floor, is cold. What happens is that the sweat cools down so fast that it almost crystallizes. Well, it doesn't mean that it turns to ice, but it's still the temperature change is dramatic and we lose the moisture. If we will use some moisturizing products or agents, then we put on our socks and shoes and go for a walk to a shopping mall, then our feet get sweaty again. So our skin is basically in a wet condition for a long time, which is not good, especially for area between the fingers. No matter whether it's summer or winter, I always recommend to nourish the skin rather to moisturize it. I usually use the special pedicure wax or bio wax. It can be any brand, even from the drugstore. First, you need to roll and warm it up in your hands, then it will look like oil. Then softly I start to apply it, working on each toe. Do not pull, only gently massage it. If you see that some of the toes have deformities, you have to be extra careful. Do not pull or press too much, just gently massage them all around. Then I will start working on the bottom and never touch this area because the blood flow is pretty strong there while adipose tissue is pretty thin. So just skip this area and continue working on the heel and the ankle area. I warm it up and a little and apply all over until the client can feel a slight warmth. This was a short demo by Dr. Schultz, and she's traumatologist, orthopedist. She's the owner of her own medical clinic called Happy Foot. And I want you guys to invite you to our webinar called Pedicure Basics on March 11 at 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. All you need to do is to follow the link, fill in your details, click sign up, and you're here on this page. Here you can leave us a comment or ask any questions you would like to be covered on the webinar. So Dr. Schultz will be hosting the webinar and I will be translating it all in English and taking care of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up for the webinar and I'll see you there. Bye.